I want to ask a simple question that needs a very honest answer. If this product was not real, was not working, was not indeed the secret that will help people regain their health in few weeks, would I go ahead and be giving these people free products?
Good morning, sir. I just want to say God bless you for this product. My mom called me not too long ago telling me how your product has worked for her, and I'm just happy because she has been praying for me since morning. Funny enough, I didn't even know she was going through a lot. She didn't tell me. I just purchased the product. I just think for the fact that she's old, she will need the product. And after using the product, she started confessing what she has been going through, keeping it to herself. I'm just happy. I was able to get the product. And funny enough, this is just the first bottle she'll be using. I just want to say thank you very much and God bless you.
This is one of the locations. Every Friday while I was in this state, I always visit this location so that they can come and get it directly from me. I cannot do this life-saving program alone. I will need you to assist us in whatever way you can. You can assist by sharing, duetting this video. Let other people get to know that there is something that can help them regain their health. We are set to do this in all the states across Nigeria. Help us to share this video so that they will be having updates as we progress. Make sure you follow this page. Make sure you share this video so that the update go to different states. People will get to know about it and join us in the location where we'll be.